Do you know how to improve your memory while preparing for your IELTS examination? Stay tuned, we're going to talk about this today. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Dilshod and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss how you can boost your memory, cognitive function and mood, all of which are essential for IELTS preparation and overall language learning. And yes, I'll be speaking in English to help you practice listening and comprehension. First, let's talk about how a healthy lifestyle impacts your brain. Eating a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids can improve brain function. Foods like fish, nuts, leafy greens are great choices. Staying hydrated is also crucial, so make sure you drink enough water throughout the day. Second, exercise and brain health. Regular physical activity is not just good for your body, but also for your brain. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which can improve memory and cognitive function. Even simple activities like walking, yoga, or stretching can make a big difference. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise a day. Third one is sleep and memory. Getting enough sleep is essential for memory consolidation. When you sleep, your brain processes and stores the information you have learned during the day. Try to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and maintain a regular sleep schedule to keep your brain in top shape. 4. Managing stress and improving mood. Stress can negatively affect your mood and cognitive function. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness to manage stress. Engaging in hobbies and spending time with friends and family can also improve your mood. Finally, tips for IELTS preparation. Now let's connect these health tips to your IELTS preparation. Here are a few strategies. First, create a study schedule. Plan your sessions and breaks. Consistency helps reinforce learning. Second, active learning. Engage in activities that require active use of English, like speaking with friends, writing essays, or reading aloud. Next one, practice tests. Regularly take practice tests to familiarize yourself with the exam format and timing. Healthy habits. Apply the lifestyle tips we discussed to stay sharp and focused during your study sessions. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can significantly boost your memory, cognitive function, and mood, which are essential for your IELTS preparation. Remember, studying smart and taking care of your health are closely connected. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Share your own study tips and questions in the comments below. Best of luck with your IELTS preparation and stay healthy.